Hello everyone, friends. You are on the Veiler channel. Today I will show you how to fix the error 0x4007b. In my opinion, something like this. For this, we go into the browser, write DL data, that is DL data download. Opening the file, we can see here that we have this number DL files. We will need to move them. In the folder with the game, well, I chose, for example, Isaac, the game. Yes, we find it respectively. And the folder with the game, yes. And here we throw all these files and just copy. That's how it should look. If it's a Steam game, then you have to go to this computer, disk, or some other program. Yes, well, go in and look for it. Folder there is Steam, Steam Maps. Come on, here will be games. For example, Marvel Arrivals do not run here. These files are dropped. The game should work on this. Everything was with you. Everyone for now.